আগের ফাইলের কন্টিনিউয়েশন, পেজ 193, question number 42. Do you consider Dr. Kalam's father superstitious as he offered sacred water for invalids? Justify your answer. অক্ষমদের জন্য পবিত্র জল দিতেন বলে তুমি কি ডক্টর কালামের বাবাকে কুসংস্কারাচ্ছন্ন বলে গণ্য করবে? উত্তরের সপক্ষে যুক্তি দাও। Answer. As we know from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's strong roots, his father was a person of spiritual depth. In spite of his lack of formal education, he possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. He knew whenever human beings find themselves alone, as a natural reaction, they start looking for company. They look for a helper in their trouble or impasse or distress. Dr. Kalam's father was a go-between in their effort to propitiate demonic forces with prayers and offerings. In the mosque, many people offered bowls of water to Dr. Kalam's father, who would dip his fingertips in them and say prayer. This water was then carried home for invalid. They often visited Kalam's father with the news of cure. Dr. Kalam's father himself knew that was not a right approach, but he did not want these people to remain hopeless and helpless. He always asked people not to thank him but to thank Allah, the merciful. Therefore, he was not superstitious but spiritual. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam strong roots থেকে আমরা জানতে পারি যে কালামের বাবা একজন আধ্যাত্মিক চেতনায় সমৃদ্ধ মানুষ ছিলেন। প্রথাগত শিক্ষা না থাকা সত্ত্বেও তিনি ছিলেন দারুণ সহজাত প্রজ্ঞার অধিকারী এবং প্রকৃত উদার হৃদয়ের মানুষ। তিনি জানতেন মানুষ যখনই নিঃসঙ্গ বোধ করে তখনই স্বাভাবিকভাবেই সে সঙ্গীর সন্ধান করে। সমস্যায় পড়লে অথবা দুর্দশাগ্রস্ত হলে অথবা পথ খুঁজে না পেলে তারা সাহায্যকারীর সন্ধান করে। অশুভ শক্তিকে প্রার্থনা এবং অর্ঘ্য দিয়ে তুষ্ট করা তাদের প্রচেষ্টায় ডক্টর কালামের বাবা একজন মধ্যস্থতাকারীর ভূমিকা পালন করতেন। মসজিদে অনেক লোকই তাকে জলের বাটি দিতেন আর তিনি আঙুলের ডগা জলে ডুবিয়ে প্রার্থনা করতেন। এই জল অক্ষমদের জন্য বাড়ি নিয়ে যাওয়া হতো। পরে তারা সেরে ওঠার সংবাদ দিতে কালামের বাবার কাছে আসত। ডক্টর কালামের বাবা জানতেন এটা সঠিক পন্থা নয়, কিন্তু তিনি ওই মানুষগুলোকে নিরাশ এবং অসহায় রাখতে চাইতেন না। তিনি সর্বদা লোকজনকে তাকে ধন্যবাদ জানানোর পরিবর্তে দয়াময় ঈশ্বরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাতে বলতেন। সুতরাং তিনি কুসংস্কারাচ্ছন্ন নন, তিনি আধ্যাত্মিক। Question number 43. Do you think strong roots are necessary for success in life? Answer. From your reading of strong roots, তুমি কি মনে করো জীবনের সাফল্যের জন্য শক্ত শিকড় প্রয়োজন? তোমার স্ট্রং রুটস পাঠ অবলম্বনে উত্তর দাও। Answer. We know from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's strong roots, Dr. Kalam had strong connections with his family. Dr. Kalam goes back to his childhood days, memories and analysis how his childhood experiences helped him in his future. He shows strong connections with his parents. His father helped him to build a spiritual sensibility which provided a strong ground for his progress. He had thought out his life, tried to emulate his father in his own world to science and technology, so he is not simply a scientist but a man of spiritual understanding. The strong roots have helped him to sustain mental calmness. I think strong roots are necessary for progress of an individual. ডক্টর APJ আব্দুল কালামের স্ট্রং রুটস থেকে আমরা জানতে পারি যে ডক্টর কালামের সঙ্গে তার পরিবারের নিবিড় সংযোগ ছিল। ডক্টর কালাম স্মৃতির স্মরণে বেয়ে শৈশবের অভিজ্ঞতাকে বিশ্লেষণ করে দেখিয়েছেন কিভাবে শৈশবের অভিজ্ঞতা তার ভবিষ্যৎ জীবনের সাহায্য করেছে। তিনি দেখিয়েছেন তার বাবা মার নিবিড় সান্নিধ্য তিনি পেয়েছেন। তার বাবা তার মধ্যে আধ্যাত্মিক চেতনার বিকাশ ঘটিয়েছেন, যা তার ভবিষ্যৎ অগ্রগতির শক্ত ভিত তৈরি করেছে। সারা জীবন ধরে নিজস্ব বিজ্ঞান এবং প্রযুক্তির জগতে তিনি বাবাকে অনুসরণ করার চেষ্টা করে গেছেন। তাই তিনি শুধুমাত্র একজন বিজ্ঞানীই নন, আধ্যাত্মিক চেতনার সমৃদ্ধ একজন মানুষ। এই শক্ত শিকড় তার মানসিক দৃঢ়তাকে ধরে রাখতে সহায়ক হয়েছিল। আমার মনে হয় এই শক্ত শিকড় যে কোনো ব্যক্তির অগ্রগতির জন্য অপরিহার্য শর্ত। Question number 44. And once an individual serves his emotional and physical bond, he is on the road to freedom, happiness, and peace of mind. How can these servings of bond be justified in relation to the titles as strong roots indicate bonds? যেহেতু শক্ত শিকড় বন্ধনকে নির্দেশ করে, তাই এই বন্ধন মুক্তি কিভাবে শিরোনামের যৌক্তিকতা স্বীকার করে? Answer. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's strong roots aims with a spiritual message. He thinks if an individual serves his emotion and physical bond, he is on the road of freedom, happiness, and peace of mind. This statement may apparently seem a contrast to the idea of the peace so far developed. While strong roots imply strong connection, serving the bonds implies cutting off the roots, but the sense of spiritual upliftment is a result of his strong spiritual roots, which Dr. Kalam has acquired mostly from his father. Strong roots indicate bonds, and the spiritual bond continues with Kalam's ideas about the road of freedom, happiness and peace of mind. ডক্টর APJ আব্দুল কালামের স্ট্রং রুটস শেষ হচ্ছে একটি আধ্যাত্মিক বার্তা সহ। তিনি মনে করেন যদি কোনো ব্যক্তি তার পার্থিব এবং মানসিক বন্ধন থেকে নিজেকে মুক্ত করতে পারে, তাহলে সে পৌঁছে যায় মুক্তি, সুখ এবং মানসিক প্রশান্তির পথে। এই বক্তব্যকে হয়তো পাঠ্যাংশে বিবৃত ধারণার সঙ্গে আপাতভাবে বৈসাদৃশ্যমূলক বলে মনে হতে পারে, যেখানে শক্ত শিকড় বোঝায় গভীর সংযোগ, বন্ধন মুক্তি বলতে বোঝায় ছিন্নমূল। কিন্তু আত্মিক উত্তরণের এই ধারণা হলো তার দৃঢ় আধ্যাত্মিক শিকড়েরই ফলশ্রুতি, যা মূলত কালাম তার বাবার কাছ থেকে পেয়েছেন। শক্ত শিকড় বন্ধনকে বোঝায় এবং আধ্যাত্মিক বন্ধন কালামের স্বাধীনতা, সুখ এবং মানসিক প্রশান্তির পথে এগোনোর ধারণার সঙ্গে যোগসূত্র রেখে এগিয়ে চলে। টেক্সচুয়াল গ্রামার মার্ক 1. A. Use the correct model verb to complete the following sentences. Question number 1. In fact, I shame mine was a very secure childhood, materially and emotionally. 2. My father complex spiritual concepts in very simple down to earth Tamil. 3. 1. Understand the difference between a fear-ridden vision of destiny and the vision that enables us to seek the enemy of fulfillment within ourselves. Page 194. Question number 4. I feel convinced that there exists a divine power that lift one up from confusion, misery, melancholy and failure. 5. He returned with about a dozen coconuts tied together, thrown over his shoulder, and only then he had his breakfast. Answer. A. 1. Would. 2. Could. 3. Must. 4. Can. 5. Would. B. Do as directed. Question number 1. My father had not much formal education. He had not much wealth. Join using neither nor. 2. Despite these disadvantages, he possessed great cannot wisdom. Join by bhul. Replace the underlined word. Underline despite. 3. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother. My mother was Ashiamma. Join by using noun in oppositions. 4. My mother's lineage was the more distinguished. One of her forebears had been bestowed the title of Bahadur by the British. Join the two sentences by using nominative absolute. 5. The Shiva temple was about a 10-minute walk from our house. This temple made Rameshwaram so famous to pilgrims. Join by using adjective clause. Question number 6. There were quite a lot of Hindu families. They were living amicably with their Muslim neighbors. Join the two sentences by using present participles. Answer. 1. My father had neither much formal education nor much wealth. 2. In spite of these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom. 3. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother, Ashiamma. 4. My mother's lineage was the more distinguished. One of her forebears having been bestowed the title of Bahadur by the British. 5. The Shiva temple, which made Rameshwaram so famous to pilgrims, was about a 10-minute walk from our house. 6. There were quite a lot of Hindu families living amicably with their Muslim neighbors. Page 195. C. Change the following into reported speech. 1. My father said to me, man becomes a part of the cosmos while praying to God. 2. I said to my father, why don't you say this to the people who come to you for help and advice? 3. Zainul Abidin said adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. 4. He said to his son, I am but a go-between in their effort to propitiate the demonic forces with prayers and offerings. 5. APJ Abdul Kalam said, I have throughout my life tried to emulate my father in my own world of science and technology. Answer. 1. My father told me that man becomes a part of the cosmos while praying to God. 2. I asked my father why he did not say that to the people who came to him for help and advice. 3. Zainul Abidin said that adversity always presented opportunities for introspection. 4. He told his son that he had been but a go-between in their effort to propitiate demonic forces with prayer and offerings. 5. APJ Abdul Kalam said that he had throughout his life tried to emulate his father in his own world of science and technology. D. The following sentence correct the errors. 1. Whenever they are troubled, they look someone to help them. 2. I would say my was a very secure childhood, material and emotional. 3. The author saw his father pray. 4. It can lift one from confusion, misery and melancholy. 5. I remember my father start his day at 4 a.m. reading the namaz before dawn. Answer. 1. Whenever they are in trouble, they look for someone to help them. 2. I would say mine was a secure childhood, materially and emotionally. 3. The author saw his father praying. 4. It can lift one from confusion, misery and melancholy. 5. I remember my father starting his day at 4 a.m. by reading the namaz before dawn. E. Read the following sentences closely and place the different segments of the sentences in the appropriate columns such as subject, attributive, adjuncts, predicate and adverbial adjuncts. 1. My parents were widely regarded as an ideal couple. 2. I had not the finest idea of the meaning of the aerobic prayers chant. 3. Adversity always present opportunities for introspection. 4. The Shiva temple made Rameshwaram so famous to pilgrims. 5. A very close friend of my father was Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri. 6. He would return with about a dozen coconuts. 7. I feel convinced. 8. Our locality was predominantly Muslim. 9. I normally ate with my mother. 10. He looks straight into my eyes. Answer. 1. Parents, subject, my, attributive adjuncts were regarded, finite verb, as an ideal couple, complement with qualifying words, widely, adverbial adjuncts. 2. I, subject, had, finite verb, not the finest idea of the meaning of the aerobic prayers chant, complement with qualifying words. 3. Adversity, subject, present finite verb, opportunities for introspection, object with qualifying words, always adverbial adjuncts. 4. The temple, subject, Shiva, attributes, adjuncts, made finite verb, Rameshwaram, object with qualifying words, so famous to pilgrims, complement with qualifying words. 5. Friend, subject, a very close of my father, attribute adjuncts, finite verb was Pakshi Lakshman Shastri, complement with qualifying words. 6. He, subject, would return, finite verb with about a dozen coconuts, adverbial adjuncts. 7. I, subject, feel, finite verb, convinced, complement with qualifying words. 8. Locality, subject, our attributive adjuncts was finite verb, predominantly Muslim, complement with qualifying words. 9. I, subject, ate, finite verb, normally with my mother, adverbial adjuncts. 10. He, subject, looked, finite verb, straight into my eyes, adverbial adjuncts. Prose strong roots এখানেই শেষ হলো। থ্যাঙ্কস ইউ ম্যাম। পরবর্তী প্রোজ পরবর্তী ফাইলে।